Jason Dowdy here, Weicker Realtors Tower Properties. So I am just outside of the lovely community of Spicer, Minnesota, and today we're doing photos and video on this beautiful home. Kind of span it around. If you've been sitting at home, quarantined, looking for a new home, let's check out this new one and see what it has to offer. All right, let's check out the swimming pool. Swimming pool has a complete gate all the way around it. It does not open until May 7th. That's when the pool crew will be here to fill it up and get it ready to go. It has a liner that you can take and roll up. It's got a diving board. It's about 8 feet deep on the deep end, 3 feet on the shallow end. We have a little shed to store your belongings for the pool. It is heated. It's a freshwater pool. It has the mechanisms right over here that you can see. The heater is about 2 years old. The liner is a year old inside the pool itself. And take a look at that. Beautifully, it's fenced in so it meets your insurance purposes. From the driveway here, we got a beautiful little patio. You can see the street down below, that's 93rd, and it's on a cul-de-sac. And the driveway is all tarred all the way around to the house. All right, welcome into the indoors. As we walk into the home, I'll give you kind of a quick little view of the inside of the home. Off to the left, we have a laundry room. Very nice sized laundry room. That door is going to lead you to the garage. At this time, we'll kind of walk around and you'll see it on the other side here in a moment. Off to the right, we have our dining room with a beautiful patio door. It's got a beautiful archway. Let me back up so we can see that again. Now the flooring, this flooring here that goes through the house is actually porcelain. It's all hand put in. Beautiful floor throughout. Views of the backyard and the patio. Nice sized patio door. A lot of custom woodwork within the home. Our kitchen. Check it out, ladies. Gentlemen that like to cook for the ladies. We have a beautiful kitchen. Now the kitchen has decadent countertops over the main portion. And then we've got granite over the island. We have a walk-in pantry. Beautiful stainless steel refrigerator. As you can see there. And we have a microwave. And these are high-end appliances, by the way. They're the high-end GE series. We've got a double sink that overlooks the backyard. And the gazebo. Give you a closer look of the decadent. Kind of has a cool look. You can get them in the Twin Cities, it's Home Depot. Check out the light fixtures. Beautiful open living room. Yeah. Take a quick look up. There's the catwalk. Take a walk out to the back deck. All right, here we are on the back deck. We got the gazebo, beautiful gazebo. Maintenance-free deck. Kind of a cool pattern. Views of the backyard. take a look inside the patio or the gazebo here. Got a fan built within it. These are screens in here with a screen door. That's your look in the backyard. See the patio off to the left again. All right, coming back into the home, let's take a look at the master bedroom. The master bedroom is right off the living room here. Get a good look at that. Very nice size. This is a Pottery Barn wood on the walls. And you can see all the way through into the master bath. Let's get a quick look. There's the patio out the back. Take another look in the bathroom here. We have a walk-in closet in the master. We'll take a look at that in a second. It's got a tub. This is a retractable shower head, so you can pull it up. There is no shower in here, but it could probably easily be put within this wall. All right, we're going to take a look at the walk-in closet. Very large closet. Give you an idea of floor space. Let's walk around. And we're going to take a look at the second bathroom in this home. This is a quarter bath, located on the back. Now let's walk to the garage. This is a laundry room door again. All right, here's what we got in the garage, guys. Now you're gonna notice the ceiling is very, very high. I would say these are at least 12-foot ceilings. I need to measure them out. A couple floor drains you're gonna find located between each one of the stalls. Now this homeowner does park a boat, a large boat at that, along the back side here in the garage, and you can still put your pickup and your car and everything in here. You'll notice we have heat, it's fully insulated. Spinning myself around, you have views of the pool area. We've got, now the neat thing about this garage is you have 10-foot wide garage doors with 8-foot height. So you can pull your boat, your wrecked boat or your oversized pickup in with no problems. Extra storage around the top of the garage. It's got some very nice LiftMaster garage door openers. And then up here is the way to access the attic, and there is some floor space for storage and extra things up above. Beautifully done garage. And of course, this little back door takes you out into the backyard. All right, let's take a look at the basement. All right, moving on down to the basement. Now, this wood paneling that you're gonna see all over the lower level of the house actually came from a factory in Andover, Minnesota, and it is actually all custom woodwork. As we take a look through here. Okay, let's move into the hockey room. Now this room could be your workout room. It's actually extra thick walls. It's built to practice hockey in. You can hear the echoing in here, I'm sure, with my voice. The flooring itself is actually, I don't even know what it is, but it's amazing. It's soft and durable, and it's made for entertainment. Could be a theater, could be your workout room, or just to practice swinging pucks. Let's move along and take a look at the most important room in the house, the mechanical room. All right, as we walk into the mechanical room, you're gonna see a Bryant furnace. We've got a very large water heater. We've got your well. This place has its own well and septic on the property. We've got a couple different water softeners. And spinning around, it's a very nice mechanical room. Your sump pump, which leads out into the backyard. Air exchange system, your gas lines. The house is on natural gas. And that is your mechanical room. Oh, one more thing. It does have all the different zones in the house, so you got several different thermostats where you can control the heat. All right, if you're looking to entertain your friends, family, this is the place to do it. Check out the size of this lower living room. Gas fireplace. It's all got bricks around. Storage underneath the steps. And they have the barn doors hung down here to kind of give it that rustic feel. Makes you kind of feel like you're out in the cabins. Great little space for entertaining. Down here, you're gonna find your 4th bathroom in the home. This is another full bath. And along with that, you've got another bedroom. Tell you what teenager wouldn't love the space down here, because he's got his own bathroom, he's got a good sized bedroom, and you've got a very nice walk-in closet. All right, that's the lower level of the home. All right, let's take a quick walk upstairs and see what we're looking at. So on the upper level, it's got beautiful views of the backyard. You can take a quick look down into the living room area. You can see the gazebo on the back. And there's our beautiful kitchen from down below. This will be our 3rd bedroom, located on the upper level. Now, if you look out the window, you can see Elkhorn Lake right through the trees there. And if we look below, we have the stamped patio and our beautiful neighborhood. Let's take a quick look in the closets. We have 2 double hung doors, lots of storage. Storage underneath the staircase or above the dining area. All right, moving through the home. To the left, we have our 4th bathroom. This is a full bath, tiled floors with skylights, storage closet, bathtub, shower, and the loo. All right, going over to the next bedroom. Now these are very good sized bedrooms. Not a lot of furniture in them at the moment, but very good sized views of the back 2 acres that are included with the property. Great hunting area. Double closets again. Take a quick peek inside of those. In the closets, we have storage space down below. Lots of room all the way through. And that's the upper level of the home. From the upper, you can see the extra 2 acres with the property, which there is trees, corn, and down below, you got the playhouse. And you can't quite see it through there, but there is a chicken coop. Thank you for checking out this beautiful property. If you know someone that is interested in this one or would like more information on this property, please feel free to reach out to me on my cell phone, 320-444-6959. Or if you just have random questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'd love to help answer any questions you might have. Make it a great day.